Hi guys, thank you for joining me today. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to draw super easy and beginner-friendly water drops. I'll show you the method that you can apply to any object of any color. So I have here two violet objects, two eggplants, and I'm gonna be using two violet shades, mid-tone and deep tone. And you can pick mid-tone and dark tone of the color of your object, for example red or green. And for the highlights, I'm gonna be using my white gel pen Sakura Jelly Roll, and also white colored pencil Carandache Luminance, and plus graphite pencil for sketching. So this is a super cool and easy method, and anyone can draw this. So let's get started. And now I'll show you how to draw super easy and cool water droplets. But at first, I'm mapping them out with my graphite pencil. Just draw irregular shapes here and there, some bigger and some smaller. You can make them as many as you want. Let's add the droplets one by one on each eggplant. So now let's get to coloring on the first one. This is very easy. I'm grabbing my mid-tone color V06 and I'm filling in all of the shape except for the top left part for the highlight. Moving to my darker violet color V17, adding the shadow right under the droplet and a small touch on the top and the side of the droplet. Grabbing my white gel pen and putting the highlight on the top left part. And this way the first droplet is done. Let's move on to the next ones. Taking my mid-tone color V06, the mid-tone of my object, and going over all of the droplets. Moving on to my darker shade Y17 and adding the shadows. Putting the highlights with the white gel pen. Now let's add even smaller droplets, and they are even easier to make. With help of my mid-tone color V06, I'm putting some dots here and there for my smaller droplets. Moving on to my darker color V17 and putting dots for the shadows for these small droplets. And finally putting the highlights on the top left parts. On the darkest side of the eggplant, I'm drawing silhouettes of the droplets with my white colored pencil. I think it looks nice, and let's move on to the second eggplant. Mapping out the shapes with the graphite pencil. Grabbing my mid-tone violet V06 and going over the shapes. For those droplets on the sides, I'm touching only the right sides. Grabbing my dark violet color V17 and adding shadows to the bottom right parts. And putting highlights with the white gel pen on the top left side. Let's add a little bit more droplets. Base shape with my mid-tone V06. And I'm adding smaller ones all together, putting dots for them. And with my dark violet V17, adding shadows to the bottom right parts. And final highlights with the white gel pen to the top left parts. And that's it! You've just learned how to add simple water drops to your drawings. It's a great beginner-friendly detail that makes your artwork look fresh and realistic. If you'd like to take it further and see a full step-by-step lesson where I draw shiny eggplants with highlights, textures and water drops, you can find it on my Patreon. I'll leave the link below. See you there, and bye for now!